I am on the Bannock Trail. 1 mile to the Yellowstone boundary. Warm Creek picnic area, 3 miles. So, yesterday, or the day before, I guess I'll film myself like this, I walked into Yellowstone on the road. Today we're gonna walk into Yellowstone on this trail right here, which is a lot scarier and a lot crazier. One time I was walking in here and there was a sleeping grizzly bear just right up on top of this hill. I didn't even see it until I was past it, and then the people behind me were like, bear, and then it went running up into the mountains. I've also seen tons of moose out here in this field. Black bear once. So as long as I'm loud and let the bears know I'm coming, we should be good. Also, I've got my bear spray always. And I've only got 11 minutes left on this SD card, so I'm only gonna be able to film the stuff that's like really awesome. So many butterflies. It's lovely. That's looking back towards Silvergate. That's the last of the cabins before the wilderness area fence starts. There's a deer right there. Didn't even see it until it jumped up. They can jump high. Anyways, I was gonna show you guys this old car right here. Look at that. Like people have wrote the name on it. Ow! Oh, look at this. 1998. R. Thane. I wonder who that is. Anyone know what kind of car that is from the look of it? Here's a bunch more rusted stuff from some old prospector's cabin or something. Looks like moose, deer, maybe bison tracks. Birdie bots, oh birdie bot. That's what I do to scare the bears away. I just sing ugly songs. Oh, there's a couple of people up ahead. I don't need to make any noise then. They'll get eaten before I do. So this might not look like much, but if you go up there, there's a secret waterfall and canyon up there that only us locals know about. That is crazy.
Yeah. So I guess we crossed, boy, some good rocks here, you know, if you were building a chimney or something.
Yeah.
Good rocks. You should go ahead because we're kind of slow.
Thanks.
And then if you run into the creek and fall in, we'll come get you.
Thank you. Or if the bear gets me, then you guys can come save me.
Yeah.
So that's where the creek used to be, and it was usually pretty hard to cross, especially early in the spring, but now with the flood, somehow the creek has been diverted and we can hear it up here. But still, this isn't it. Where in the heck is it? That is weird. This definitely isn't it. Well, here it is. Oh, great. How am I supposed to get across this? Well, maybe I just get my feet wet. Doesn't look like there's an easy way across. All right, I took my socks off. So I'm just gonna go for it. It's deeper than I thought too. Ugh. Woo, it's cold. Ay, ay, ay. It's freezing. Okay. Oh boy. Ay. Ah. Oh my heck, that is so cold. My calves are pretty much cramped up now. Oh, that was cold. Okay, walk it off, Ryan. Walk it off. Okay. It's all gonna be worth it when I get eaten by the grizzly bear. Human on the trail, human on the trail. Whoa bear, whoa bear. This is where it gets scary because I've seen bears in these woods right here and there's no way to see them until you see them, and then it could be too late. So I'm gonna have my bear spray out and ready from this point on. Well, we made it to the park boundary. Entering Yellowstone National Park. Not quite as fancy as the sign that you see on the road. Look at that old thing. Hunting prohibited. Damn it. Brought my rifle and everything. I kidding. Well, I've got 4 minutes and 40 seconds left of filming on this SD card. Okay, let's be selective. It's important to know bear safety when you're coming out into the woods like this. I'm not going to tell you all the things. You can Google them. Just make sure you're prepared, make sure you know what you're doing. I've been charged twice in my life, and I can tell you it's the scariest thing I've ever experienced. And I never had to use my bear spray in either instance, but I was ready to.
I was prepared!
Got a little pooping contest going on. That's buffalo for sure. And I don't know. You can see as we get further into the park, the trail becomes less and less visible. I think it eventually just peters out at about the Warm Creek area when you're in about 3 miles. We're probably in about 2 miles right now. I feel like Dr. Sadler in Jurassic Park looking for a Dilophosaurus. Where, John? Where? No aminals for me to see. Look at that lovely tree. How old do you think that guy is? Or girl? I don't assume. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's a deep puddle of water. Looks crazy. Right up here is where I saw a grizzly bear once. It was over across the river. Is that more bear scat? I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's the part of the road that I almost fell off yesterday, or the day before when I was walking the trail into the park. Yeah, I was trying to check out what those cones up there were for, and almost fell in. Well, holy Hannah, look at this. The trail just, whew, it's gone. Washed away. The end of the trail was just right up here anyways, but now it's completely gone. Used to be there. Well, I guess this is where I turn around, so thanks for joining me on this hike into Yellowstone National Park. We made it almost to Warm Springs. It's just around that bend. But I don't feel like trying to bushwhack it through these woods. So, yeah. Okay guys, I'm an idiot. I lied. I'm gonna try to bushwhack it. I've only got 30 seconds of footage left though, so hopefully I don't see anything awesome. Well, I made it out, in case you guys were worried. The sun finally comes out at the very end of the trip, at the very end of the hike.